Parks and Rec, a Southern California-based brand, officially unveiled its first Nike SB Dunk Low collaboration via Instagram, an increasingly common trend among brands bypassing traditional leaks. Slated for release on July 18, 2025, the drop will also feature an SB Air Trainer 1. The sneaker distinguishes itself with a thoughtful design approach, embracing nature-inspired aesthetics and handcrafted appeal. Its earthy palette includes muted pink and mocha brown suede across the upper, complemented by a burnt orange hairy suede swoosh for added texture and visual contrast. The debossed pattern on the mudguard, heel, and lace collar overlays further enhances its unique look. This collaboration stands out not only for its materials and tones but also for the way it was introduced, directly from the source, similar to the same-day reveal of the Adidas Anthony Edwards 2. Arts and Rec's entry into the Nike SB scene signals a refined and organic take on sneaker design.